Great stuff.
Head up to my channel for sitcom. Am I doing a POV? For you guys.
Like
am I doing intros in like welcome to the video sort of thing?
Yeah.
What does my face look like? Yeah, amazing. Basically, right, so one of the dudes said that the lining of a Subway cup or a Mackey's cup or a KFC cup has wax in it to keep the water in. So I'm like, so I'm gonna rip it open, I'm gonna wax the ledge, I'm gonna see if it works. And if it does, groundbreaking. Who needs blocks of wax anymore when you can just buy your Mackeys and be like, yeah, sound, I can just use a cup in it. Right, let me just... This is so weird, this is so odd. Oh my god, it works. Right, should we first try it? We'll first try it, I'm going to grind this ledge first try. Hopefully it slides this time. That was weird, I have no words for that. That's pretty sick. I'm going to 180 and 360 I almost pooed. Welcome to the floor, guys. Welcome to the adventure of a lifetime. I feel like I should go into song now, but I'm not. I'm gonna carry on skating. You know what everyone should do? Shine bright like a diamond. Oh my god. Hard work. That 360, I don't know why it's not working, but it is not working. Yeah, it's not working. So I'm going to do one of my new grinds that I've learned, a Mistral, and hopefully I can get it all the way down. Nope. Hello guys. That was really smooth. I'm going to take you on a little journey of my face. Who needs to look at my feet? You just look at my face. Whoa! Maybe I need to look at my own feet, what I'm doing. A nice backside stall. No, no stall. Will we go again? 360. Whoa! Nice 180 into the bank. And I come back, ready for the ledge. Oh! That is what you call some I give the camera back to Davey now. There you go.
That was awesome, dude.
Should I just do it now? Yeah. I'll just do it now.
Welcome back, Blake.
Recently I've been ghosting, taking care of my mind and energy. ASO on my lap, I'm not on my phone, I'm way too busy. What's a app? Send me a text and pray you get hold of me. Been aiming for bank for time by daily grind, not rolling the dice, monopoly.
I'd call that. We got to go again though.
They wanna know I'm this consistent, cause I'm patient like a fisherman. Plenty of words on my locker, I catch the hook, I'm flowing.
Look at my belly.
Fun.
Go again! And inspirational speech. Just do it. Just do it.
Batting a bullet, got no fear, living it up. bar pint, shed no tears. Popular loner, not into drama. Heavy on ghosting, call me Casper. Tell a girl come to my crib like why with a snapper. Rare rank like Asper, that's what she after. Put on the stove, we cooking pasta. Stop, till we see it boiling. I'm chilling, reminiscing, yeah. In this Atlantis kitchen, toasted down, we do make bread. Nutella spreading, straight to the top is where I'm heading. Look, should do the same instead of the begging.
I need
Recently
fuel!
I've been ghosting, take care of my mind and energy.
Feel like a put.
Ace on my lap, I'm not on my phone, I'm way too busy. What's the app? Send me a
One did
text
all
and
the
pray,
Cumbria
get
movement
hold of me.
energy drink.
Been aiming for back
How do you
time by
find?
daily grind, I'm rolling
I got none of it on me though, except my hands.
Nothing on the Cumbria movement t-shirt.
Nah,
So
can't get any spillage on that.
no stains, no drains, no nothing. No marks, look at that. Fresh.
No stains, plenty of pain, plenty of gain. Let's go.
You need them L's to rise and learn. Get a few Ross and make it work. Go heavy on ghosting, market yourself and get on promoting. Long live Tiger, my granddad's spirit, I got it. Knew it's proud, forever I follow my passion. Got pain inside that's hard to speak on. Unless I'm match recording. Get back up from a knockdown, Tyson warning. Enough of the jokes and laugh of it now. I'm putting his work in. End of the place, vibration there. All heads turning, make new friends, you dumb or stupid. Recently I've been heavy on. Heavy on ghosting. Ace on my laptop, on my phone.
I'm gonna have to give you that. That's it for me. Oh shit, oh is it? It isn't! I nearly did it. Here again. Welcome back. This is called floor cam. Big red button to the side. Floor cam, beep, beep. Yeah, welcome. So this is a place where you consider whether or not you do the trick again because it hurts to fall. But it's always one answer. Do it again! Let's go, let's go. That's it, I'm done. Hello, welcome back. I did it. There was a bit of a stanky leg in there, but we'll take the stanky leg over a fall on my belly. So, on to the next spot. My name is Spendalf, and I am Gandalf's son. Well, there you go, I've done it. So, on to the next one. We shall be doing some tricks on this ledge over here. Right now, we're going to do 10 tricks on this ledge. So, wait, Davey, is this 10 tricks gonna be another video? It is, isn't it? Yeah. So stay tuned for the video we've got going. I am going to do 10 tricks on the ledge. It's going to be exciting. It's going to be a little mini vlog, but also stay tuned for the rest of this video. And yeah, stay tuned.